Once the busbar route is drawn, it's possible to modify it using the functions Select the Starting Point and Adjust Line. Firstly, select the busbar rating. Then, with the function Set Start Format, click on the point to be modified. Next, with the function Adjust Line Format, click on the busbar connection point, and the software will modify it automatically. It's also possible to modify the busbar orientation. Select the starting point, and using the Revit function Rotate, you can turn it 90 degrees. Then, by using the function Adjust Line Format, you can rotate the entire busbar. Another feature is the freehand sketches that automatically convert to busbar routes. The procedure is similar to Auto Solve. Choose the starting point, and then you can add sections by using on-screen point selection. Always remember to close the segment. Another method is to draw with user-defined measurements. With this feature, you can draw the busbar section by section, with the advantage of entering exact measurements. Always remember to close the segment. The method Draw with Target Point is probably the most practical. Start by indicating the termination point, and the software will gradually calculate the missing distance from the starting point. Start by defining the final target point. Then, back at the starting point, insert the rising measurement. Draw the line in the required direction, and the software will gradually calculate the exact remaining distance until the route is complete. In the menu, there's also an option to add a Legrand transformer. Select the preferred one and place it where needed. You can also hide the enclosure. From the menu, you can also import other Legrand products, such as transformers and LV switchboards.